Welcome back to From Zero to Italian Hero. If you watched my last video, you've already learned how to describe your friends in Italian using basic vocabulary and adjectives. In today's lesson, we're diving deeper into vocabulary for hobbies and activities you can enjoy with your friends. So, let's start. Our first activity is andare al cinema, which means to go to the movies. For example, you could say, questo fine settimana andiamo al cinema a vedere un nuovo film. This weekend, we're going to the movies to see a new film. Next, we have fare una passeggiata, which means to go for a walk. For example, mi piace fare una passeggiata al parco ogni sera. I like taking a walk in the park every evening. This phrase is perfect for describing a relaxing activity you enjoy with friends or even alone. The next activity is giocare a calcio, to play soccer. Dopo scuola gioco calcio con I miei amici. After school, I play soccer with my friends. Another fun activity to talk about is uscire insieme, which means to go out together. For example, stasera usciamo insieme per festeggiare il compleanno di Maria, which translates to tonight we're going out together to celebrate Maria's birthday. The next activity is fare una gita. For example, you could say sabato faremo una gita in montagna. On Saturday, we're going out to the mountains. Our next activity is studiare insieme, to study together. Here's how you can use it in a sentence. Domani studiamo insieme per l'esame di matematica. Tomorrow we're studying together for the math exam. Another popular activity is mangiare fuori, which means to eat out. An example would be ci piace mangiare fuori ogni tanto per provare nuovi ristoranti. We like eating out once in a while to try new restaurants. Next we have fare sport, which means to do sports. Fare sport ogni giorno è importante per restare in forma. Doing sports every day, it's important to stay in shape. Here's a phrase for traveling with friends. Viaggiare insieme, which means to travel together. You could say, quest'estate viaggiamo insieme in Spagna, which means this summer we're traveling together to Spain. Another common activity is guardare un film o una serie, especially when winter is coming. This means to watch a movie or a series. For example, ogni sera guardiamo una serie TV prima di dormire. Every evening we watch a TV series before going to sleep. The final activity is ascoltare la musica, which means to listen to music. Mi piace ascoltare musica mentre studio. I like listening to music while studying. Alright, now that you've learned some great vocabulary to talk about friends and activities, let's put it all together in a quick conversation practice. So, let's start. Ciao Marta, ti volevo chiedere, tu hai molti amici? Sì, ho molti amici simpatici e divertenti. Come descriveresti il tuo migliore amico? Il mio migliore amico è molto gentile e generoso. Cosa ti piace fare con i tuoi amici? Mi piace fare passeggiate e andare al cinema con loro. Uscite spesso insieme? Sì, usciamo ogni fine settimana. A volte andiamo al cinema, altre volte andiamo a cena insieme o ci incontriamo tutti in piazza a bere qualcosa. Great job today! Now you have the vocabulary and expressions to confidently talk about your friends in Italian. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep using these phrases in your daily conversation. Stay tuned for the next video where we'll dive into daily routines, another useful topic for everyday Italian. And don't forget, after that, we'll explore vocabulary around the house. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, subscribe and share it with others learning Italian. Grazie mille for watching and see you in the next videos. Ciao!